Hey, Motivate here with another tip of the week. This is an easy thing to try. What I'm going to do is I'm going to run through the slow cone weave. That doesn't matter how far apart you put the cones. You can do it at 12 feet, 15 feet, whatever you feel comfortable with. But here's the point to it. I'm going to ride through it as quickly as possible. I'm going to have my wife Donna's going to time me. Then the next time I go through, I'm going to try to beat my first time. That's how you improve, by doing it the exact same techniques, head and eyes, friction zone, a little bit rear brake, but try to get that bike dipping even further and faster. So I'm going to turn around, I'll go through it, at the end of it I'll stop, I'll come back again and then do it again. So we'll have 2 times, and hopefully she'll be able to put that stopwatch in front of the camera so you can see how well I did.
Go! $18.75. Go! $16.63. He did it.
So there you have it, folks. Did I do better the second time?
Yes, $16.63 versus $18.75.
All right, so I beat it by quite a bit. And that's how you improve. Try to do a little bit faster each time. Eventually, you're going to get to a certain point where you can't go any faster, so then it's time to tighten it up a little bit. Instead of having the cones at 14 or 15 feet apart, put them at 10 or 12 feet apart. Until next week. By the way, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click that little bell. If you click that little bell, every time we come out with a new video, you'll be notified. Until next week.